I'm going to be showing you how to bulk create 50 social media posts in seconds, so it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open Canva in your iPhone and sign in. Once you've done so, you just need to create a new social media design such as Instagram post or Facebook post, or open an existing template. And once you've done so, you just need to design your first post with placeholders for text, images, or other elements you want to change. And then tap on apps and search for and open bulk create. As you can see, apps is right there. Just tap here and search for bulk create. As you can see, bulk create is right there. You can just tap there and choose one of the following. You can either choose enter data manually or import a CSV file from your iPhone or cloud storage. You can add your data, for example, 50 caption, quotes, product names, whatever, and match each data column to the corresponding text or image placeholder in a design, and then you can just tap on continue and then generate. Canva will automatically create a separate design for each row of data and review the generated posts and make any necessary adjustments. Then you can just download to save them. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.